hear this.
Yes,
this is awesome. I'd forgotten about that. I'm sorry.
It is awesome. Have you read it yet?
No, but I know you don't bring them unless they're awesome.
Oh, I'm excited about this one. This is hot off the press. I mean, got it at 9:21 this morning.
Okay.
It's great. It's Monday morning, this morning. I'm on my 6 a.m. flight back to Alberta, Canada, and I can't stop crying of pure gratitude in my heart as I've just finished this incredibly, extremely powerful workshop with Dr. Joe Beam. I truly and sincerely believe with all of my heart that we owe it to ourselves as part of our duty being on earth to attend this workshop. The reason I believe this to the core of my being, this workshop has given me such insight on myself and others, and it has helped me understand everyone to a whole new level that I did not think could ever even be possible. I am extremely grateful for Dr. Joe Beam. This man will forever be in my heart. I will always have a very special place and carry him in my heart. If you are having a hard time understanding or communicating with your spouse, your children, your family, friends, or people in general, if you've been through trauma, an affair, or you're in the middle of a divorce, or you want to divorce, or you're dealing with some kind of addiction and you regret leaving your spouse, or if you feel your spouse doesn't communicate their emotions with you and you feel disconnected, or if you feel like you just can't seem to be successful in life, then this workshop is a must. I understand it probably won't be the end-all be-all, but this is the foundation to an amazing, fulfilling, great, happy life. I'm actually extremely grateful for the situation that brought me to this workshop, because if the situation would not have happened, I wouldn't have learned and gained all of the insights that I gained in such a short period of time, and feel more connected to my spouse. I truly, sincerely believe this new knowledge will help me be an even better person on earth and help understand me to a whole new level. I can't thank you enough, Dr. Joe Beam and Alice. Thank you for being a hero. Thank you for being so extremely nice and listening to your heart, because you, Alice, made all of this possible. And then she continues to go on. I don't think I can go a night without thanking God for Dr. Joe Beam and Alice, what they do. Thank you sincerely with all of my heart.
Wow. If I'd known she was saying nice things about me, I wouldn't have said such an awesome letter.
That's why I said, have you read it? That's so fantastic.
Of course, this workshop just ended last night. And so I remember this couple very vividly, obviously. We have 23 more workshops this year. In this calendar year, we have 23 more. We've already done 3 so far this calendar year. We get to meet wonderful people like that.
That's so good.
And if indeed you guys can get here, we would love to have you in our workshop. Most of the couples in there will be in some kind of crisis or trouble. Occasionally we have couples that come through just because they want to make things better. And we will allow up to 1 engaged couple to come through each weekend. And you're going, wait a minute, a workshop for marriages in crisis, and you would love to have engaged couples? I think it's the best premarital education you can possibly get, because you're hearing not only some tremendous information, but in a room full of people that have messed it up and are looking about how can we make it better. And so we'd love to have you. Just call us our toll-free number, which is 866-903-0990, or go to marriagehelper.com.